Cyclones, hurricanes, and tornadoes are some of the most powerful forces of nature, capable of causing widespread destruction. But what's the difference between these storms, and how do they form? Cyclones and hurricanes are essentially the same type of storm, but they're called different names depending on where they form. Cyclones occur in the Indian Ocean and South Pacific. Hurricanes form in the Atlantic and northeastern Pacific. These storms form when warm, moist air rises from the ocean, creating a low-pressure system. As more air rises, it spirals inward, intensifying into a powerful storm. When wind speeds exceed 74 miles per hour, it becomes a hurricane or cyclone. They bring heavy rain, strong winds, and can create dangerous storm surges that flood coastal areas. Tornadoes, on the other hand, are much smaller but often more intense. They form during severe thunderstorms when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air. The resulting instability can create a rapidly rotating column of air, or a vortex, which extends from the clouds to the ground. Tornadoes can have wind speeds over 300 miles per hour, making them some of the most destructive forces on Earth. Some of the most devastating storms have changed the course of history. Cyclone Bola in 1970 was the deadliest tropical cyclone ever, claiming over 300,000 lives in Bangladesh. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 was one of the costliest disasters in U.S. history, severely damaging New Orleans and causing over 1,800 deaths. Hurricane Harvey in 2017 brought catastrophic flooding to Texas, with damages exceeding $125 billion. The tornado outbreak of 2011 was one of the worst tornado outbreaks in U.S. history, with over 360 tornadoes across the southeastern states, causing more than 300 deaths. The damage caused by these storms can be catastrophic. Cyclones and hurricanes flood cities, destroy homes, and disrupt infrastructure. Tornadoes can level entire neighborhoods in a matter of seconds. In the aftermath, people face food shortages, disease outbreaks, and long-term rebuilding efforts. To stay safe during these storms, preparation is key. Always stay updated on storm warnings and forecasts. If you live in an evacuation zone, don't hesitate to leave when advised. Strengthen doors, windows, and secure outdoor objects to reduce damage. If a tornado is imminent, take shelter in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. By staying informed and preparing early, we can minimize the risks posed by these incredible forces of nature.